In this video, I will show you how to find Instagram users near me. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to tap on the search button on the lower corner. And then tap on search bar. Type in your city or your country. Then you just have to search for it. Next thing you're going to do is to go to places. Tap on one of the location. And now you will be able to see posts, reels that was made on your location. You can also go to tags, then tap on one of the tags, and you will be able to see posts and reels that was made in your location. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!